Hey guys, it's Kevin with the new warehouse here on site at Relay Distro, and they are a 3PL fulfillment center and much more here in Houston, Texas. And we are on site to check out their PO system. But I want to show you here around me. If we look behind me, in front of me here a little bit too as well, there's about 3,000 square feet of pick bins and product that they had in here. And we're going to see how they turn that 3,000 square feet and compacted it into just 500 square feet within this space, maximizing space utilization to be able to do that with the PO system. So we're gonna check out the PO system, and I'm also gonna show you how to pick with the PO system as well. All right, so how did they consolidate that 3,000 square feet of picking space into just 500 square feet? Right behind me here is the PO system. And this is PO system, which is powered by AutoStore technology. The automation and robotics and structure is just like the regular AutoStore, except they have their own proprietary PO system, which you're gonna see how I picked on and packed on in a little bit as well. But this system behind me, it has just over 1,300 bins. They're able to put about 4,500 different SKUs in here as they're able to compartmentalize those bins and those totes. And they're also working off of 2 ports, which you can see behind me here, port 1 and port 2. And they have 6 robots running on top, and they can also scale those robots up and down as they need to, depending on the volume that they have. So let's take a look and see how exactly do we pack orders with the PO system here at the port. I'm here at the PO pack station at Relay Distribution here in Houston, Texas. And I am gonna pack an order from the PO system. I'm at port number 2 here, and we see on the PO screen here, this is the PO system that's built into this system here. I'm gonna do next order to bring up my next order. And we're gonna see that the next tote with the next order is here. This tote is divided into 4 different compartments, so you can have multiple SKUs in the same tote. But it's gonna tell me to pick in this top right corner. It's also gonna tell me, so I have my thing here. It also says this is one of 7 picks. So this order has 7 picks in it. They gave me a big one here, right? So I'm gonna do next pick, and then the tote is gonna go back. It's gonna give me the next tote that's up, right? So you notice that the system is already queuing up those totes, right? So it already has the next SKU within the order here to be able to pick from. So I'm going to the right side, got my product here, do next pick. My tote is coming down here. And we got up here, one of these, nice floral. Next pick. So I got 4 picks left of my 7-pick order. So it's gonna be, the robots are on top of this system here, and it's digging through the totes to bring the right one out. So now we have next pick here. We have our next SKU. So one thing we'll notice about the user interface here with the PO system, right? Very visual, very easy to determine where is it supposed to be. Touchscreen, right? So I don't need to wear anything on myself. I don't need to hold a scan gun or anything like that to confirm orders. So now I have my next pick here on the right side. Bring that here. And I got 2 picks left, I think. Here we go. Down here. My last pick should be coming up here, and I think I'm doing pretty good. It's only 2nd order I've picked on a PO system, so we'll see. All right, and here comes that last pick, and it is gonna be this item right here. So I'll hit complete order, and once I've completed my order, I have all my items here. I'm gonna scan this complete order tag here. It's gonna pull up my order in the system right here. I'm gonna scan my items to confirm them for the packing. All right, so now my order is confirmed. I've scanned all 7 items within the order, and they have this camera system here that takes a picture of the product before it's packed, so you know that it's accurate, and you can reference that in the future in case you need to. You know, maybe the customer says, oh, I only got 6 items. You can say, no. There were 7 in there, right? So we're gonna do a pack shot. All right, so I took my snapshot here, right? I got the full order in, and now I'm gonna pack it. Let's see if we can do this. They're challenging me here. Large order, tight space. Oh yeah, it's gonna work. My trainer is right. Packed up. Got some nice floral kids clothes going out. Seal this up. And then we are going to print our label. All right, so we print our label, take it off, and then we put it on our package that is packed and ready to go, packed with the PO, and shipping out to some little kid somewhere for some cute floral clothes. Very nice. All right, so that is your look into the PO system here at Relay Distro. Certainly a very viable and reasonable option to explore automation and maximizing your space utilization if you are a 3PL or other brand looking to get more out of your space, right? As we saw here, they've taken 3,000 square feet of picking area, turned it into 500 square feet, which is a huge win, right? And also we saw the ease at which we can learn to pack orders right off the PO system and get them out to your customers. So if you're interested in learning more about PO, check out po.com and also check out more information in the show notes, and make sure you check out my podcast with Derek from Relay Distro as well. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video here on our YouTube channel, The New Warehouse Podcast, and I appreciate you tuning in. If you liked what you saw, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you like this video in particular, make sure you like it as well. And if you want to get this great t-shirt that you see in the video behind me, Warehouses Are Sexy, head to warehousesaresexy.com and get your own.